Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. Welcome to Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today I'm going to show you Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 32 BHDS CKL. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so now here we are inside this beautiful trailer, and there's a lot of things I want to talk about. We'll start in the very back, because this back room is actually, people think of this as a bunkhouse trailer, but this is a very versatile space. These big cushions on the floor can be folded out to make a queen size bed, but they can also be used kind of as just a settee, or take them out and make this be all open space. This shelf will fold up and get out of the way, and this third bunk is also a great place to store things if you don't have people in it. There is storage here, and you'll also see that they've allowed room in this bunk design to make a large outside kitchen. We haven't talked about that yet, but this also has a great outside kitchen, which is something you usually need a bunkhouse or a big rear bath model to get that feature. Okay, so now as we look around in here, we just see a lot of room. And of course, if you have a bunch of kids, this is the perfect place for them, and you can just close that door at bedtime. Then you have the bathroom. The bathroom's really nice. It is not great big because we're devoting a lot of space to the bedroom and the other parts of the trailer. So we don't want a huge bathroom because it just doesn't fit with the rest of the priorities of the floor plan. Behind me here, we have the Horseshoe dining area. And I really like these because, first of all, they're a large family seating area. Second of all, they make a bed for tall people. So it's not just a place you can put kids, you can put adults on this. It's all storage all the way around that whole Horseshoe area. And then also, you can just take this table out and make it be open seating, like if it was a sectional sofa. So it's a really, really versatile design. Also, we have a trifold sofa. So this is one that makes out a queen size hide-a-bed, or, queen RV style size hide-a-bed. And that's actually very comfortable. It's much better than the old hide-a-beds with the metal bar across the back. Across from that, we have the Galley. We have a nice fridge and freezer. Got a stove with a glass front so you can see what you're burning in here. Microwave oven, of course. A big deep farm sink with an adjustable nozzle over the top, that you can pull out and squirt around. And as you look in here also, you might notice that the color of the lumber is much lighter. For years, we've had a lot of really dark materials, and now we're finally starting to see a nice trend toward lighter colors, which makes it feel more open inside. Looking forward to the front of the living space, we have a very large TV, and this TV kind of does it all. It's got a sound bar built into it, and it does all your streaming and all kinds of services through this TV. And it also has an electric fireplace. Electric fireplaces are great because, first of all, they don't burn propane, and second of all, they're really quiet. So most of the time when you have electricity available, you'll use this and you'll conserve your propane. Now, the other thing that's really unusual on a Catalina is that they have a real private bedroom. We don't just have partition doors or curtains. This has a door, and it goes all the way up into this nice enclosed bedroom. It has a queen walk-around style bed with shirt lockers. You got some hanging storage there. And the best thing about this is you have privacy. So if you have people in the coach and you don't want to get up that early, or you want to go to bed early or whatever, you've got a place to be in. You can get dressed privately too. Thanks a lot for taking a look at the Catalina with me. And again, this is the Catalina from Coachmen. Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 32 BHDS CKL. How about it? I did pretty good. Okay, if you want to talk about the trailer, you'd like to see it in person, I'd love to show it to you, and I'm happy to talk to you anytime. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.